Turning your engine 11J158. Turning good. And the front engines looks good, as you can see. Compressor look nice. And on these sides everything's good. Look as well on the windows. No water inside. Gearbox. I don't see any damage. Same as well like on these sides. Altimeter on the good conditions. Starter not broken. On the top, plastics cover look nice. Don't see any damage. And on the bottom, well, some without any cracks, any leaks. Here little damage on the front on the plastics cover. And turning your engine 11J158.